Hey, look, a retard. Linear progression. Player will have opportunities to still explore. Oh, nice. Going to be popular for very long.
Manual recording will now start.
I could just ask, how did that happen?
He is incredibly tired, but otherwise healthy and still very happy to go. And last but not least, we have Test P.
Yeah, what are you doing? You don't even have a stop sign, dude. What are you doing? Oh God, what happened here? Oh, flat tire. I trust him a damn sight.
Frank doing most of the work.
Oh, nice red light. The only thing is, it's Oklahoma, so don't speed.
Oh shit. The fucking metal's scraping on the ground.
Road work ahead, and road work.
So everyone that knew Lucan actually started to believe it too, because he made no contact at all with anyone whatsoever. And since
Manual rec...
You're really gonna ride my fucking...
Manual recording will now start.
Been feeding on lyrium down in parts of the deep roads. Continuing on has us running into one which has been possessed by a demon which claims that he'll halt all attacks on us.
Hiking trails, rafting, kayaking trips. Just a quick trip outside of Anchorage, you'll find moose, bald eagle.
I need to turn right.